Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to a Raspberry Pi with SSH on Windows 11, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect to your Raspberry Pi with SSH on Windows 11, start by ensuring your Raspberry Pi is powered on and connected to the same network as your Windows 11 computer. Next, open the Windows Start menu and type CMD to find the command prompt. Click on the command prompt to open it. In the command prompt, type IP protocol configuration and press enter to view your network details. Look for the section that lists your network adapter and find the IPv4 address. Make a note of the IPv4 address of your Raspberry Pi. If you're using Raspberry Pi OS, you can typically find this by running hostname I in the Pi's terminal. Now, open the Windows Start menu again and type PowerShell. Click on PowerShell to open it. In the PowerShell window, type SSH Pi followed by the IPv4 address you noted earlier. For example, if the IPv4 address is 192.168.1.5, you would type SSH Pi at 192.168.1.5. Press enter to execute the command. If this is your first time connecting, you will see a message asking if you want to continue connecting. Type yes and press enter to proceed. Next, you will be prompted for the password. By default, the username is Pi and the password is Raspberry, unless you have changed it. Type in the password and press enter. Once you've successfully logged in, you will see the command prompt change, indicating you are now connected to your Raspberry Pi. You can now run commands on your Raspberry Pi remotely via SSH. When you're finished, type exit and press enter to log out. Congratulate yourself on successfully connecting to your Raspberry Pi using SSH on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.